Hey, so do you know how to make money from YouTube videos? Well, I'm going to show you how you can make money from watching YouTube videos. Absolutely easy to do. All you need to do is watch the YouTube video for like 35 seconds and you can make money. Imagine that. It's absolutely awesome. All you need to do, watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to explain everything to you. I'm going to explain what you need to do. So don't skip the video because you think you know the website and you want to try it out by yourself. No, watch the video all the way to the end so that I explain to you what you need to do and how to go about it so that you can actually make money. Don't skip through the video, okay? Now, just know that this is absolutely free. You don't pay any money at all to do this. Absolutely free. And the great thing about this is that it's available worldwide. Wherever you are, Africa, Australia, South America, America, Europe, Asia, it doesn't matter. You can get access to this opportunity. And what's great about this is that you can do this on your phone or you can decide to do this on your computer. Doesn't matter. So, before I show you this awesome strategy, please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that subscribe button, that red button. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't pay any money to subscribe, just subscribe, okay? Thank you so much. And remember, turn on the post notification, click that bell, which means that every time I upload a new video, you're going to get a notification, so you don't have to go around looking for my videos. You just get a notification straight onto your phone or on your computer. So, the website I want to show you today is called FollowFast. Followfast.com. So, when you're FollowFast, what you want to do, you need to create an account, which I'll show you how to do just now. Okay, when you're over here, when you have your account, what you need to do is you're gonna see YouTube. There's plays, likes, dislike, subs. What you want to do, click on plays. Plays simply means videos. So you want to click on plays. When you click on plays, you're going to see different kinds of videos over here, as you can see. Then they give you 4 points, which will be added to the total amount of points you have over here. So if you're not happy with 4 points, you can click on skip and it will give you a different video. Okay, that's 4 points. Then you click maybe skip again. Let's see what's that. That's 3 points. Usually there are videos that will give you like 7 points, 10 points, it depends. There's so many kinds of videos. This is 2 points. Click on skip. 2 points. Click on skip. Okay, well, this is 2 points. I'm going to show you an example of how it works. You want to click on play. When you click on play, it's going to take you to the YouTube video. Now, you just need to be on this YouTube video for 35 seconds. You're going to see a countdown over here. You will earn your points in, as you can see, the amount of seconds over here. So, you don't actually have to watch the video. They just want you to be on there for 35 seconds. And then you're going to get the amount of points over here added to your total points over here. So my points should go up to 70 very, very soon. So as you can see, I'm on 70. So basically, the more points you have, the more you can convert to money. So maybe let's skip this one. Let's go to the next video. Okay, we have another video. Let's click on play. Okay, we have another video over here. So the countdown should start, as you can see over here. So when it's done, my points should go up to 72. So you don't really have to watch this video at all. just be on here for the amount of seconds until it's done so that you can get your points. So that's basically what you'll be doing consistently throughout the day and get more points so that you can make more money. As you can see, it should go to 72 right now. Okay, so just be doing that consistently. You can skip, sometimes you can decide to skip. Okay, you can decide to watch this one as well and click play. Usually around nighttime you can get like videos that will pay you like 10 points, 12 points, 15 points. So make sure that you actually do this at night. It really works well. So the more points you have, I'm going to show you what you can do with your points. So let's wait for this. Should be done right now. Should go on to 74 right away. Okay, so you get the picture of what it's all about. So now, as you can see, this is a payment proof of people. They're just cashing out their money quick. It's quick money. People from all over the world, as you can see over here. Please comment down below which country you're coming from. You can see people from all over the world are actually doing this, as you can see, and they're actually just cashing out their money, basically doing nothing. Just click on a video for 35 seconds and that's it. Now you can get a daily bonus of 100 points daily. All you need to do is you need to log in daily, which means that every day come on to Follow Fast and you need to do 15 likes or hits, which means that click on 15 videos, do what I just showed you with this, do this 15 times, and then you're gonna get 100 daily points added. 100 daily points, which means that every single day you're going to get an extra 100 points. Now you can also get 25 points every hour. What you need to do is every single hour you need to do 3 hits, which means watch 3 videos, which means click play, do that whole procedure 3 times every single hour, and they're going to reward you with 25 points every hour added to your points over here. Now, when you have your points, you can decide to choose how you would like your money. As you can see, you convert your points into money and they can decide to pay you via PayPal or via Perfect Money, via Bitcoin. It depends on how you want to receive your actual money. So PayPal is always great. I mean, as you can see over here, some are using Perfect Money, a lot of people are using PayPal. I personally use PayPal. What you want to do, if you don't have a PayPal account, you want to go onto paypal.com and you want to click on sign up. Then you click on personal account, click on next. It's a very easy procedure. It's free. Put in your email, your mobile number, put in your first name, your last name, create a password, and basically that's it. It's very simple to do so that you can actually get your money. Now remember, you actually need an account to do this, which means that you need to register, which is absolutely free to do. The registration process I'm going to show you right now. So you want to go on to, let's see, Follow Fast. .com. When you're on Follow Fast, what you want to do, you want to click join over here. When you click join to register, it's absolutely free. Put in your username, put in your email address, put in your password, and confirm your password. Get your location. Then you can decide to add a referral link over here, which means that if someone referred you over here, you can actually put in their referral over here. It depends. Unless you heard it from me, you can put in my referral as well, which is ADM. And over here, you just want to put in this number over here and then click join. Very simple procedure to register. And then, as I said, you come over here and do the procedure. You click on place. Then you get onto, as you can see, this video is 6 points. You want to click on play. So you want to wait till the video pops up. So as you can see over here, so now the video doesn't even have to be playing. The video can just be like, you know, over here like this. You don't even have to watch it. Just click on it, wait for these seconds to finish, then it will add 6 points to your total points. And I should be on 80. So that is basically how you make money watching YouTube videos. I hope it makes sense to you. If you do have any questions, please comment your questions down below in the comment section. If you have any questions, please just comment your questions down below in the comment section. If there's any confusion, just comment your questions, and please like the video and subscribe to the AD Money channel if you haven't already, and turn on the post notification bell. I really appreciate all you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, cheers.